Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. No proposal of censor board for Tiatr. Chief Minister Parsekar clarifies, blames media for creating false propaganda. NCP demands concrete assurance from CM. ZP polls on 18th March, counting on 19th and 20th March. Notification expected any moment. Goa government gives only 25 days to Election Commission. "108 ambulances on strike. Workers demand hike in salaries. Complaint of harassment. Health Minister says workers should not blackmail government. CCP Mayor election in March. Babush not to support Surendra. Vaidehi and Subham Chodankar's name running as front-runner. And calling on to Goans to root for Kakulo cricketers. Kakulo Goans enter GPL 2020 competition with title ambition. Now the news in detail. There is no proposal to constitute censor board for Tiatr. This news is purposely preparated by a local English daily to divide Goans and create unrest. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar cleared on Wednesday. Chief Minister says no file has been forwarded to him proposing censor board on Tiatr. Will the government consider such a proposal if it is before the government? NCP has demanded a concrete reply.
Tiatr fraternity is upset with the news reports that the government is planning to set up censor board for Tiatr. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar has refuted any such move by government. He said it is a propaganda of some section of print media to divide Goa.
काही मीडिया सेक्शन ऑफ मीडिया कित्याक हो विषय तयार करतात हांव नको न्ही तियात्रिस्टांनी न्ही एका वर्तमानपत्रान इंग्रजी वर्तमानपत्रान हो विषय सुरू केलो अशें म्हाका दिसता. एडिटोरियल बरयले, बातमी हाडल्यो, जी गजाल केन्नाच म्हज्या तकलेन येवंक ना, ज्या गजालीच्या बाबतींत म्हजे कडेन फायल आयली ना, त्या गजालीचेर रकाने बरोवप आनी कोणाक तरी भडकोवन काडप हे आक्षेपार्ह आसा अशें म्हाका दिसता. जे लोक मोपाच्या संदर्भात पेटयताले आनी मोपा ना आतां ती हवा जायना आनी मोपाचेर हांगा गोंयचें विभाजन करणे आतां शक्य ना हे जातकीर आतां हो दुसरो विशय काडला असो म्हाका दिसता. त्यामुळे असो खंयचोच प्रस्ताव ना. म्हाका हांवें विचारलेल्या वेळार सांगलां ही जी पद्धतशीरपणे गोंयकारांक फोडपाची आनी ग्रुपिजम करपाची जो प्रयत्न काही सेक्शना कडल्यान जाता तो घातक आसा आनी अशा प्रयत्नापासून गोंयकारांनी सावध रावचें.
हांव 5 दीस नासलो फाटले. हांव काल येयलो आनी डिपार्टमेंटान अशा पद्दतीचो जो एक्सरसायज जर केला तर शेवटी सगळें जर कितेंय जर आसलें जाल्यार डिपार्टमेंट डिसिजन शेवटी निमाणें म्हाका येतलें. आयच्यान आतां पर्यंत येवंक ना.
On the other side, NCP has demanded a concrete assurance from CM that Tiatr will never have to face a censor board in future.
A circular in the health services and then say it is withdrawn. So this testing of waters, we want the BJP to stop this. And government should come out categorically to state that this is not only untrue, but such a censor board will never happen during its term. This is nothing but a धूळ फेक लोकांच्या दोळ्यांनी आनी टेम्पररी तेंच्यांनी ती गरमी जी पळयल्या ते फाटी सोडतात 2 स्टेप. नॉट विथड्रॉन टोटली.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
ZP polls will be held on 18th March. Counting will be held on 19th and 20th March. Goa government has finalized the dates and has forwarded it to the Election Commission. State Election Commission has conveyed that it requires at least 45 days to complete election formalities once the notification is out. But government has stuffed a 50-member ZP poll schedule in 25 days.
Zilla panchayat election will be held on 18th March. Notification on Zilla panchayat poll is expected at any moment. The complete schedule of Zilla panchayat elections is as follows. Electoral roll to be kept open for public perusals after delimitation of wards from 23rd February to 27th February. Nomination of candidates 20th February to 4th March. Scrutinization of nomination forms 5th March. Withdrawal of nomination form 7th March. Polling day 18th March. Counting on 19th and 20th March. State Election Commission will require 45 days for completing Zilla Panchayat polls once government issues notification, but government has considered less than a month's time for 50 seats of Zilla Panchayat. Zilla Panchayat polls will be held on party lines for the first time. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Anti-burglary cell of Goa police nabbed a gang of thieves who used to steal and snatch gold ornaments. Police got a tip-off that a gang of thieves are active mainly in South Goa and target parked vehicles. Later, police succeeded to trap and arrest 5 thieves, namely Tahir, Hazrat Saab, Vijay, Hamid Sheikh and Srinivas. Gang members after arrest disclosed that they used to mortgage stolen gold articles with gold loan companies. Police have seized stolen gold articles worth 9 lakhs. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.